By 2026, the Shenyang J-11B remains a significant part of China's military aviation legacy, although its role in the People's Liberation Army Air Force PLAAF is gradually diminishing in favor of more modern platforms like the J-16 and J-20. Originally developed as a Chinese upgrade of the Russian Su-27 airframe, the J-11B was domestically redesigned with Chinese subsystems, including avionics, radar, engines, and weapon systems. Over time, this aircraft has undergone numerous enhancements to keep it relevant on the modern battlefield. One of the most notable improvements in recent years has been the integration of advanced active electronically scanned array AESA radar systems, seen in newer variants such as the J-11BG and J-11BGH. These upgrades significantly enhance target detection, tracking, and engagement capabilities, allowing the aircraft to effectively deploy long-range missiles like the PLAAF 15 and short-range PLAAF 10, both of which have proven to be among China's most capable air-to-air weapons. The J-11B's airframe remains robust and is known for its high maneuverability and long operational range, but its older versions were limited by outdated radar and electronics. With the introduction of glass cockpits, helmet-mounted sights, infrared search and track systems (IRST), and improved electronic warfare suites, the newer J-11B variants have bridged some of the gap between 4th and 5th generation aircraft. Additionally, the transition from Russian AL-31F engines to the domestically produced WS-10A turbofans has improved engine reliability and reduced dependence on foreign suppliers. However, these engines still face some challenges in terms of maintenance and overall performance compared to Western standards. Nonetheless, China's aerospace industry continues refining the WS-10 line to ensure long-term sustainability and performance parity. As of 2026, elite units of the PLAAF, especially those tasked with defending strategic regions like Beijing, have started transitioning away from the J-11B in favor of the more advanced and stealthy Chengdu J-20. This shift marks a clear change in China's airpower philosophy, where stealth and data integration have become paramount. Although the J-11B remains in active service, its frontline role has increasingly been delegated to secondary units, naval aviation branches, and pilot training programs. In these contexts, the aircraft continues to provide value due to its mature design, reliability, and combat effectiveness, particularly in air superiority missions where stealth is not critical. Batch production of J-11BG variants continued into the early 2020s, with visible changes such as white radar domes hinting at AESA radar integration. These aircraft are still considered formidable within their category and are often deployed in areas where the J-20's stealth features are not deemed essential. Despite this, the long-term trajectory suggests that the J-11B will be progressively phased out or pushed into support roles as China's fifth-generation fleet expands. The continued development of the J-16, another flanker derivative with more powerful sensors and multi-role capabilities, further reduces the strategic need for older platforms like the J-11B. In essence, while the J-11B played a critical role in China's modernization of its air force, by 2026, its legacy is being overtaken by newer and more capable platforms aligned with future warfare requirements.